Very soon, Iri Ji have come to us, and it's that time of the year that some of the useless politicians want to be invited in the very functional foreign countries, Iri Ji. So they should be careful. What we are saying now, that if you're a Nigerian politician or if you're a Biafran politician, they invite you, you have to be careful, because what is happening in Biafran land now it's not, people are not happy. It's not welcoming. The economy of the country is not welcoming. Nothing is viable in the country. So stay where you are. Even the medical checkup, you guys go to Europe, you should stay where you are. You can see what happened to Ike Ekweremadu here. That will teach you lesson. It can still happen to you again, because people are still very angry, very, very much angry. So stay calm and be careful what you do now.
Chairman, Ike Ekweremadu. Yeah. Have your peace. Let them go. All of you, they are killing your people. You are here, you want to celebrate your festival. They are killing your people. You are very stupid. You are asking me where. Are you not a Igbo man? Shut up! Shut up! You will do it. You will do nothing. You will do nothing. You are very stupid. You are very stupid. They are killing your people. Raping your women. You are here, you want to celebrate here. God will punish all of you. 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 I don't give a damn motherfucker shit. They are killing your people, raping your women. You are here, you want to celebrate here. They are killing your people, raping our women. Fulani, you are here, want to celebrate your festival. May your festival first law of Fulani there. May God punish all of you one by one. They are killing your people. You are here celebrating your festival. They are killing your people, raping your women. You are here celebrating your festival. God will punish all of you. Don't worry. Don't touch me. Don't touch me. This thing is not normal. We don't give a damn shit. Yeah, I will be here. I'm not afraid. I will be here. I'm not afraid. Yeah, I'm not afraid. When are you the one doing this? When are you the one doing this? I don't give a shit. You must shut up. You are very stupid. You don't have sense. If you don't have, they are killing your people, raping your women. You are here celebrating your festival. God will punish all of you. God will punish all of you. Don't worry, all of you go to prison. Don't worry, police is here. I'm not afraid of police. I am not afraid of police. I am not afraid of police. Let police come. They are killing our people, raping our women. If you touch this thing, if you touch it, If you touch it, you got to pay for it. You are very stupid. You are very stupid to tell me to get up from here. You are very stupid. I don't give a damn shit. Shut up. I want to spoil it. Yeah, they are killing our people. Raping our women. You are here want to celebrate your festival. God will punish you. Idiot. I will be here. I am not afraid of police. Let police come. Let police come. This is police. Let them come.
No celebration here. No celebration.
God, take this in. Take this in.
No celebration here.
Put it on my back.
No celebration here.
Put it on my back. Wear my wristwatch.
Even if they want to, they do it in a peaceful way.
It's not a nonsense. You call it nonsense. They are killing your people, raping our women. No problem.
This is no problem. We are Igbos.
I'm here.
We are Igbos.
I'm here. I'm here. I'm done. I am Biafra. I am Biafra. I am not afraid. Police is here. I am not afraid. Police is here. I am not afraid. I am Biafra. I am not Nigeria.
Ja. Willkommen mal in der Medina bitte. Es soll erst weg.
Was ich warte, ja komm mit. Nein.
We talk in this direction.
Okay, excuse me.
Now in this direction.
Okay.
In this direction.
Okay. Excuse me. Excuse me. This is my Biafra. Excuse me.
Stop filming.
Yeah, of course.
Einer zu mir bitte.
Yeah. Of course.
Stop filming and